Sunday morning. Alright, so for those who would like to see the bike in broad daylight, ito yung itsura. Yan. So, stainless wing arm yan kay James Brackett. Sniper 150 na or 155 na rear footrest. Binagay ko yung brake switch orange kasi yung CDI ko taka flasher orange din. Ito corrugated footrest, crash guard ni Otoy Metalworks, laser gun, skid plate, dirt bike skid plate moto, PIA horn, fork guard, Shinko 705 tires, 1821, knob sight LED, ito Titan na LED light, ito Halo na Polysport headlight, crash guards, anong tawag dito, fusion handlebar set, hand guards ito pala, sorry, tapos foldable mirrors, Norifumi na exhaust, full system po yan. Ito yung view. So it comes to control, so ito yung headlight switch natin kasi battery operated na yan, ilaw siya. Tapos meron tayong high, of course. Meron tayong passing, yan, passing. Meron din tayo nito mini driving light dyan, high. Tapos ito yung laser gun. Tapos ano pa, hazard, as you can see, yan, hazard tayo, madalian lang. Tapos horn, so rapid horn, loud horn to PIA, so single, yan. Tapos pag rapid, yan. So LED na po lahat. So nothing much on the visual, yung basic na kailangan ko lang. Sa loob, racing CDI, tapos ignition coil na Phyto 7400, iridium spark plug, full wave tayo, advanced full wave. Tapos ano pa, power upline, and then yeah, everything is as is. Yan, ito yung itsura niya. Okay, tapos off natin. Tapos bomba. Yan. Yan.